Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Incredible Innovations, a channel where we bring new, innovative, weird, amazing inventions. Today, we have brought a chair, but it is not a one usual office chair with tilt and hand rest functionality. It is way beyond that. Speed Cockpit is a chair that can be your gaming companion during those long video game sessions, or when you just want to concentrate on work at home. It's a chair with a unique posture that is inspired by racing car seats. Created by the Italian company the Frenchy.co, Speed Cockpit is an all-in-one chair, where you can sit long hours and can do all the activities you possibly can dream of doing in a chair. The great posture provided by the chair's unconventional design keeps your body relaxed for long hours. This chair is pretty robust and strong and can sustain any kind of abuse by big children and adults who are still a child. They are so sure of its quality that they are giving 10 years of warranty. Speed Cockpit is available in multiple versions. The main one is called Speed Cockpit, which comes with paddle mounts and speed mounts. For office users and work from home people, they have another version named Speed Desk. But you have the possibility of upgrading your beloved chair. You can buy an extra headset. For car lovers, a gear shifter mount may be a useful addition. For people who are into flight video games, flight simulation mount is also available. The cockpit, footrest, 3-screen universal mount or other addition which you can upgrade to. If you want this invention to reach to the masses, they have launched an Indiegogo campaign. Go there and check out this amazing chair. That's it for this video. We will be back with another incredible innovation. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.